Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Dollarama shop with me, but this time you're in for a surprise. So stay tuned, relax and enjoy and see what I find at the Dollarama this time around. See you in the store. Bye for now. So the first aisle I'm going to is the aisle where they have that burlap ribbon. They have a lot of these glass bottles with seashells to use in crafts or to decorate. They have a lot of potpourri and a lot of cute items. In this same aisle, they also have a lot of wall decals for children's rooms, and these decals are really good because they are removable, so they don't leave any damage on your walls. These were 10 hearts. They're not new, but I find them so beautiful. And this I actually hauled previously in my Valentine's Day haul. But again, this is something you can use all year round. They're absolutely beautiful. And over to the left over there, there are the wood-like signs. And these are beautiful as well. They're quite big and very substantial. And I've purchased one before. These wooden crates are really cute too to DIY. And these birdhouses are super adorable. Again, you can paint them with whatever color you choose. What a great project to do with the little ones as well. These paint kits are super cute, and I believe there's 12 little paint pots in there, and once you're done you can just store them and you're ready to go for next time. Super duper cute. Dollarama is fully stocked with these signs and they're really pretty. They've really stepped up their game. And check out this wooden sign, House Rules. If you want to pause and just read it, it's adorable. Oh my goodness, guys, and look what is over here. OMG, you guys. It's the ever infamous letterboard. Yes, I found it. OMG. And not only did I find it in the white, I found it in the black and in the charcoal gray. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. This was an absolute find for me. Thank you. And look at these cute little unicorns. They're so adorable. Oh, I'm so excited. Can you tell? Here we are in the craft aisle, and they have so many cute embellishments, little unicorns, butterflies. Here are the unicorns, flowers, roses, the red roses, the peachy pink roses, the baby roses, the miniature roses, pom-poms, you name it, Dollarama has it. Here to the left, there's containers of wooden beads, and it's quite a big size, a lot of quantity there. And they have these different beads in blue. They have these in the pink and corals. They also have these pearls, and they have the little mason jars over there. Super cute. And they have these, I'm not sure if it's buttons in there or just beads. Here they have an array of different fabric ribbons in practically any color your heart desires. This is the toy section. They have the kawaii toys. They have Hatchimals right over here, a 2-pack. This Dollarama is certainly all set up for Easter. These are pretty, the pastel colors with the little bunnies in the front, so cute. They have the little chickadees. These are beautiful table toppers if you're decorating for Easter. These little chickies are so cute. Hang on, let me put my phone down and you can watch as I wind them up. That would drive my puppy absolutely crazy. They're so cute. And come along with me as we enter the St. Patrick's Day aisle. Quite an array of different items they have here. They have props, they have the beaded necklaces, they have these little hats. They can put them on as headbands. This hat is really pretty with the sparkly clover. They have wigs. Anything you want to wear that night when you go out for some green beer, you're all set and ready to go and you'll fit right in. Here's a little bit more of the Easter decor. These are the plastic eggs, which you can put little surprises in them and do maybe a little Easter hunt. And these are the fabric Easter baskets. And again, some sparkly toys that maybe you can put in the Easter basket, little bouncy balls. Those are super cute. And here's a lot of books. And here we have a Hello Kitty nightlight, so name brands. These are cute tabletop lanterns with a battery operated light, and they're super cute, especially for your backyard in those nice summer evenings. So pretty. Well, my friends, we're nearing the end of this edition of Shop With Me at Dollarama. I hope you enjoyed it. I had to share it with you because I was so excited that I found my item on my hunt list, which was that letter memo board. And thank you to all of those who did find them and were willing to mail them out. Thank you so much. But I found it, you guys, I did. So I'll be sharing a haul with you, 1 or 2. So like always, I will talk to you on my next video, hopefully sooner than later. Have a wonderful day, everybody.